Introduction. Modern fighter jets rely on advanced radar systems to detect, track, and engage targets in the most challenging combat environments. 1. AESA radar technology. Example: AN/APG-77, F-22 Raptor, AN/APG-81, F-35 Lightning II. Active electronically scanned array radars use multiple small transmit, receive modules for faster scanning and higher resolution multimode capability. Air-to-air, air-to-ground, and maritime modes in one system. No 3 long detection range, and stealth operations, designed to detect threats from hundreds of kilometers away. Top 3 modern fighter jet radars today. 1. AN/APG-81, F-35 Lightning II. AESA, Active Electronically Scanned Array, Radar. Multimode, air-to-air, air-to-ground, electronic warfare. High-resolution SAR imaging. Stealth detection and tracking. 2. AN/APG-77, F-22 Raptor. AESA radar with low probability of intercept, LPI. Long detection range with high tracking accuracy. Superior performance against stealth aircraft. Supports networked combat operations. 3. Captor-E Euroradar, Eurofighter Typhoon. AESA radar with wide field of regard, mechanically repositionable array. Enhanced multi-target tracking. Ground mapping and maritime surveillance modes. Excellent ECCM, electronic counter